So targeting your HTML will allow a user to jump around on their page and access information easier. So let's do 12.2, and we're going to copy this starter one, edit it with Notepad, see what it looks like. So here we have this. Let me make it smaller. So say this is where we are. These aren't hyperlinks, and I can just scroll down to see everything that I need to. But what we're going to do is we're going to come in and we're going to actually code a name fragment for the HTML H2 elements, add hyperlinks so that the entry and its corresponding heading. So we've got this, our H1 favorite sites. We're going to call this ID equals top, because this is the top of our page. And then we're going to come into these list items. We're going to go href equals, this is hobbies, HTML5, and CSS. Then we're going to come down to hobbies, and in that H2 we're going to say ID equals hobbies. Here we're going to say ID equals HTML5, and we're going to say ID equals CSS. So we're going to save that, launch it in Chrome. So now if I click on CSS, hypothetically, HTML5 worked. What did I do wrong with my CSS? Oh, I didn't put the hashtag right here in front of the CSS. That's why it didn't work. So let's save that, run it again. Hobbies takes me to hobbies. HTML5 takes me to HTML5. CSS takes me to CSS. Now I can scroll down, and in this back to top, I can go href equals top. Save it, run it. So now if I'm down here and I say back to top, it takes me all the way back to the top of the page.